This is DEXE black hair shampoo, and this is just for men shampoo in color. Both are very similar product, but we're gonna compare which one you should choose for your hair coloring and which one is easiest way to use it. So by the way, if it's first time you're here, with my channel I have a lot of hair growth products that I personally use myself because my hair was thinning out, and over the year I really benefited from it, like hair supplement, ginger oil, anti-hair loss shampoo, many other things. It's in my channel playlist. You could check it out. All hair growth product, and really helped me if you recently start seeing thinning out your hair and you wanted to do something about it. As early you could do, as better it is. So let's get into this. So this is how it's gonna look like DEXE black. When you get it, you're gonna get 3-pack. It comes with the gloves, and the best thing about it, it's already mixed with the shampoo in color, so you don't have to do nothing. You don't have to shake nothing. You just cut it and you use it all over your hair and gently massage it and keep it for 5 minutes. You could keep it longer than 5 minutes. This is comes with 3 packs. I get the link in description box, and it's good for up to 8 weeks. So if you get 3 packs, that's good for 6 months. And all you have to do every 8 weeks, just cut one of these and put it all over your hair and keep it for 5 minutes, and you're done with it. So that's the easiest way to use it. But I don't use this one. I use the Just for Men. Why I use it, let me tell you. Because when you get the Just for Men, this is how it's gonna look like. You're gonna get the color, and this is the shampoo. So what do you have to do? I opened it already, this one. So you take this off and you pour it in here and you shake it well. This is Just for Men. You just have to shake it well. So what it does, reason I use this one, but this is if you have a hair like gray hair all over your head, this is probably the perfect to use DEXE one. Because this one, I don't use the whole bottle because I only get gray hair, white hair over here, not all over my head. So only on the side. So I don't want to use the whole bottle. So what I do, I mix it up. I put a tape here, you see that. So I use a little bit when I need it, and it's good for up to 8 weeks. So what I do, I just keep it in the fridge. You could keep it in the fridge and you could use it later on. I know, they're gonna tell you, no, don't use it, use the whole thing one time. But if you have a little hair, gray hair here, or somewhere that you don't want to use the whole bottle, so you could just do that. So this is the reason I use this one, Just for Men only, and because of this, see the nozzle thing right here, it's easy, very easy for me to exactly pinpoint it where I need it, and just gently with the gloves. It comes with the gloves also with this product. So this is why I use the Just for Men, because of that. But if I had the gray hair all over my hair, I would definitely use this one, because why I said that also before. When you're using the DEXE or the Just for Men, use the cold water. After 5 minutes you keep it on your hair. I usually keep it a little bit more than 5 minutes, but it's up to you. As longer you keep it, as darker it gets your hair color. Then when you're rinsing out with the water, use cold water, not hot water. And don't use any other shampoo or anything else, because this is also already shampoo in it. This also has a shampoo in it, so you don't need any extra shampoo. Just rinse it out with the cold water gently, and it should be good to go. So you have to compare about the price. The DEXE, you're gonna get 3-pack, and this one just you're gonna get 1 bottle with the color. So you're gonna compare. Okay, what's my hair situation? Which one should I get? Because 3 packs is gonna last you up to 8 weeks, so that's 6 months. And this is like 3 packs is about the same price, then you're getting one of these about the same price, maybe $1-2 different. Okay, I have the link at both in the description box. So if you have a really like some places, like I said, you get a like little hair, like white hair, then if you get this one also gonna last you a long time, because you're not using the whole bottle, you're using a little bit, you're keeping in the fridge. But they're gonna say no, don't use it. But I would say, so go for that one, because that's also gonna last you a long time, because every little thing you use is good for up to 8 weeks, right? So then you could use this whole bottle for more than 6 months. Or if your hair situation all like I said, like all over, you get gray hair, white hair all over, then it makes sense with this similar price to get this one and use it for 3 packs for 6 months. So you got the point, and you could compare it. By the way, if you hit the like button on my channel, I would really appreciate that. That would really help my channel. So hope this video was helpful to you, and always check out my all hair growth product on my channel. I'm telling you, it's gonna really help you. A lot of natural product, even home remedy that you could make your own. You don't even have to spend any money, and it could help you reduce your hair fall and regrow new hair. So definitely I would recommend to check that out. Thank you.